Trusted Choice Insurance Review. Watch before using. Most people get insurance shopping wrong. They think all brokers are the same or that comparing quotes is time-consuming. The surprising truth about Trusted Choice is that it connects consumers with independent agents who provide personalized quotes and coverage advice. And you won't believe how much easier it makes finding the right policy. Here's how it works. Trusted Choice allows you to enter your insurance needs, whether it's auto, home, life, or business coverage, and connects you with vetted independent agents in your area. These agents can provide multiple quotes, help you understand policy differences, and ensure you are adequately covered. For example, a homeowner shopping for insurance can receive quotes from several carriers tailored to their property type, location, and coverage preferences, all without calling multiple companies. Most people get this wrong. They think online quotes are enough, but personalized guidance often reveals coverage gaps for better deals. Additional benefits include educational resources, local agent support, and access to specialized insurance types that may not be available on standard comparison sites. Users praise the platform for saving time, offering clarity, and providing trustworthy professional advice. However, there are considerations. Agents may suggest policies with higher premiums for added protection, and results depend on local agent availability. Most people assume the cheapest option is best, but coverage adequacy matters more than cost. In conclusion, Trusted Choice is ideal for anyone seeking reliable insurance guidance, multiple quotes, and local agent expertise. If you want peace of mind and personalized service, this platform is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest reviews of insurance tools and services.